foundation of excellence is laid in the halls of education, and SATI is where mine was built. Hello everyone, I am Preksha, a proud alumna of Samrat Ashok Technological Institute SATI, where I graduated in 2015 with a degree in electronics and instrumentation. Currently, I am working as a manufacturing execution systems MES specialist at Accenture with over 9 years of experience in the industry. Reflecting on my time at SATI, I can confidently say that the institute played a pivotal role in shaping my career. The excellent faculty members of the department provided not just theoretical knowledge but also practical insights that have been valuable in my professional journey. Their commitment to education and mentorship has left a lasting impact on me. Moreover, the facilities of SATI are exceptional, offering students the resources they need to explore, innovate, and excel. The well-equipped labs and the collaborative environment fostered a culture of learning and growth, which have been instrumental in preparing us for the challenges of the industry. I am deeply grateful for the wonderful experiences and the solid foundation that SATI provided, which have undoubtedly contributed to my success in the professional world. I would highly recommend this institute to anyone aspiring to build a strong career in engineering and technology. Thank you, SATI.